Did you know that your Samsung phone has a secret menu hidden deep in the settings that unlocks professional level control over your device? Whether you are looking to transfer data, run advanced commands from a computer, or develop your own apps, you need to enable USB debugging. The problem is, Samsung hides this by default to keep the average user from accidentally breaking things. Let's jump right in and find it. Start by swiping up on your home screen to open your app drawer and tap on the Settings gear icon. Once you are in, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the list. You are looking for About Phone. Tap on that and then look for the section labeled Software Information. Inside this menu, you'll see a list of technical details about your One UI version and Android version. Find the entry that says Build Number. Now, this is the secret handshake. You need to tap build number 7 times in a row. As you tap, you will see a little notification at the bottom counting down how many steps you are away from being a developer. After the 7th tap, your phone will ask for your current lock screen PIN or pattern for security. Go ahead and enter that now. You'll see a toast notification pop up saying developer mode has been turned on. Now, tap the back button twice to return to the main settings menu. Scroll to the very bottom again. You'll notice a brand new option that wasn't there before, Developer Options, located right under About Phone. Tap to enter that menu. Be careful in here, as these settings can change how your phone functions. Scroll down until you find the Debugging section. You will see the toggle for USB Debugging. Tap that switch to turn it on. A prompt will appear asking if you want to allow USB debugging. Tap OK to confirm. This allows your phone to communicate with a computer via a USB connection for advanced tasks. You don't need to leave this on all the time for privacy reasons, so feel free to toggle it off when you're done. I hope this helps. Subscribe for more Samsung tips. See you in the next one.